In detail. The President of India, Draupadi Murmu, inaugurated the Vividhata ka Amrit Mahotsav at the Rashtrapati Bhavan today. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that many beautiful and diverse forms of our culture can be seen in the Northeast. It is a matter of great pleasure that the first edition of the Vividhata ka Amrit Mahotsav is being started with celebration of Northeast. She said that Northeast is blessed with precious natural beauty. The Vividhata ka Amrit Mahotsav is being organized at the Rashtrapati Bhavan to celebrate and showcase the rich diversity of India. The first edition of this celebration focuses on the Northeast. This Mahotsav showcases beauty, rich heritage and vibrant cultures of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Sikkim. The Cabinet on Friday